Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one I'm really excited about because this came in the mail. This is the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I love the packaging. It's giving me major throwbacks. I never actually used to really like Jawbreakers as a kid, but the packaging and like the colors and everything of them look really cool. So this is what the palette looks like when you take it out of the box. It is beautiful and like all of the colors and stuff are like textured, so they kind of come out of the packaging a little bit more. You do get 24 eyeshadows in here, which is an amazing amount, and this is what the palette looks like inside. Stunning colors, like there's just so many to choose from and I'm obsessed. It's actually really difficult to find like good colorful palettes that are like pigmented and not patchy and that have like variety in them. So yeah, I'm so amped. I also ordered a couple of his liquid lipsticks. So I got the shades Purple Urkel and No Offense. These are really cool because you can use them as eyeliner as well. This is the color of No Offense. The packaging is really cool. I've never actually tried Jeffree Star lipsticks before. And you can see it has a little doe foot applicator like that, which will really hug the lips. And that is what No Offense looks like. So I think that'll be a really fun color to use on like the eyes as eyeliner. Next shade is Purple Urkel, and the packaging does say shake well before use, so make sure to do that. So this one looks so freaking cool. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera, but it has like a kind of shimmer to the formula. That is Purple Urkel there. So two really fun colors, and I know these like aren't the most wearable shades. Like I think Purple Urkel is wearable. But I got them because they're really unique and different to other products that I would have. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you can see. I'm going to clip my hair back because I washed my hair today and she's a little crazy. Like, I swear when I blow dry my hair, I look like I'm Hagrid's sister or something. And then it calms down and I look normal. Alright, so let's start off with our eyes. So I have no idea what colors I want to use today. There's so many. I did post on Instagram what colors people thought I should use, and someone did comment saying a like sunset look using like yellow, orange and red, and then someone else commented saying all of them. I'm just gonna prime my eyes and then see what happens. So I've zoomed you guys in even closer so you can see more so of what I'm doing. So I prime my eyes using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, same one I normally use. So let's start by laying down our inner corner and brow bone highlight, and for that I'm gonna use this shade here called Jawbreaker. If you do your brow bone highlight first, it can make it a little bit easier to blend your like mattes and stuff into, because shimmers blend a lot easier typically than matte colors do. This color is really cool though. It kind of has like a little bit of a goldy green shift. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and go into the shade Good Morning, which is this one here. And I'm gonna take this from the brow bone down. This palette has like a huge mirror on it too, which is amazing because you can like see yourself so clearly. This color is beautiful. It's like a very subtle sort of pink color. My eyelids were like a little bit stained from what I was wearing yesterday, which was the Riviera palette. Wow. I really love this already. Okay, let's now go into the shade Cone, and I'm gonna take that just underneath the brow bone. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go into is the shade called Gumdrop, which is this beautiful purple shade here. And I'm going to take that below that other color, kind of in my crease, but like a little bit higher. These colors blend really easy as well. So now that we have that beautiful purple shade on, let's go in with the shade Cherry Wet, which is this color here. I'm going to take that on the outer corner of my eye. This color is really cool. I can't wink it's a very creepy wink. I can have one eye open like this, but I'll look like a freak when I wink. Okay, so now I've added the Cherry Wet color on the outer corner. I've kind of pulled it into the crease a little bit too. I'm going to use my Shape Tape concealer and just cut out the first third of my eyelid, just so that the next color I laid down is really nice and sharp and pigmented. I find if you tilt your head back, you can really kind of see where you want to take it, especially if your eyes are like a little bit deeper set. So I'm going to do that on the other eye now. Alrighty, so now that we have that on, I'm going to drop all my brushes everywhere. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Snack, which is this really pretty shimmery sort of pale peachy pink. Honey! That is really cool. Alright, now that we've got that on, I'm going to go back into the shade Cherry Wet and make sure that the outer corner is nice and deep. I'm also going to go into the shade Cotton Candy, which is this color here. And I'm going to put that on the lid just between where these two colors meet. I'm going to try and use as many colors as I can. Barbie who? Barbie me, bitch. Okay, so now that we have the shadow down on our top lash line, I'm actually going to use this green liquid lipstick called No Offense as some eyeliner. I think this will be really cool because it'll really contrast with the colors that we've used for our eyeshadow. Oh, sweet child of mine. Alright, so going in with our angled brush. So I'm finding with this, I do have to build up the color a little bit for it to be really pigmented over the eyeshadow. Those eyeshadows performed beautifully though. I'm gonna try a different brush. This one here is like a bent liner brush and see if this kind of puts the color on more. Okay, this is starting to look really cool. So I feel like with the liquid lipsticks, if you want it to be super opaque for like the green shade, you do have to just go over it like one or two times. Alright, so I'm going to pop some lashes on. I wonder if Jeffree Star will come out with lashes, because I would be down for that. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've got some lashes on. The lashes I ended up using were actually the Tarte Goddess ones. So that we've got that on, I'm going to do my base. Now we want to finish off our eyes. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Sour, which is this green color here. I really wanted to tie in like the green with the green eyeliner. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the shade here called Wow, just to blend out the edges of that green. So now I'm just going to re-intensify the inner corner of that shade Jawbreaker. Okay, so I've got my lower lash mascara on. So now we're going to do our lips. So for my lips today, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Purple Urkel shade. What even is an Urkel? Kind of sounds cute though. Very purple. Get into it. Okay, so now all that's left to do is set my makeup. So I'm using the Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray to set my face today. We love a good mist. Okay guys, so this is our completed look. This palette is amazing. Like the formulas in here are really beautiful. There was like basically no fallout whatsoever, which is really amazing considering how pigmented these shades are. I will be playing around with this palette a lot more. Let me know if you would like to see like another tutorial or another video using any of the other shades in there. If you don't want to see a video but you would like to see another look, I could always do one and post it to Instagram. The lipsticks are actually really impressive. They are a really thin sort of formula, so they don't feel heavy on your lips, and they layer up nicely, which is really cool because a lot of the time if you put on like a lipstick and it's thicker and you need to reapply it, or you want to build up the color a little bit more, it can get like really patchy or really crumbly. So this is our finished look for today. So comment down below and let me know what your favorite color in the palette was. Also, if any of you guys have tried the Jeffree Star concealers, comment and let me know what your take on them is. Are they worth the money? Are they a good formula? I know he makes a white shade, which I think would be really cool to use when carving out the eyelids. So let me know if you've tried it. This palette is like absolutely amazing. It's definitely worth the money and worth the hype. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure you hit that bell so you're notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.